Hey guys, how's it going? So today's video, I just wanted to make a video about my local North California Costco. So I ran out of all my supplies and today morning I went and got some stuff from Costco. So this is 20th of March and officially California state has declared sort of like a quarantine where everybody is supposed to stay in their homes and not leave unless you need to get essential supplies. And a lot of people in my community, this is Sacramento County, North California, a lot of people are freaking out and they are hoarding stuff, buying everything they can find in their stores. And I don't think that's a very good idea. And as you can see here in Costco right now, this is 20th of March. This is an afternoon, Friday afternoon. And most of the essential supplies actually are available. So everybody needs to just calm down, not panic. And nobody's going to starve, or your family is not going to starve to death. There is everything available, all the food supply, of course, toilet paper and all that stuff. I think it's still sold out, but most of the essential stuff is available in Costco, and I was able to find everything. So these are the frozen section, and including poultry and fish, all that was available. And then the dry fruits and dairy stuff, I could mostly see everything. In fact, they also had the rotisserie chicken, which was available, and there was plenty of cooked rotisserie chicken for $5. The typical Costco rotisserie chicken that was available, and most of the items were there. So I just walked around. I wanted to show all the items which are available, and I mean it's not as crowded right now because most of the people are obeying the quarantine rule, and so Costco is not that crowded, and obviously they are not handing out the free supplies, the free samples, which makes sense, right? You don't want to spread infection. It's loaded with wines, so if you want to have a party in your home, party as in just you want to get drunk and watch Netflix, yeah, there is plenty of wine and alcohol available. So the seafood stuff is also plenty. Poultry, unfortunately I couldn't find any chicken today, so they had run out of chicken, but other red meat, beef, pork and all those things, there was plenty available. They even had apple pie, so I got one apple pie for my kids. And the fruit section was fully loaded. There were plenty of bananas and apples and grapes and everything else. And even the fresh breads, the Costco employees, they were making fresh breads, which was nice. And like I said, apples, there were plenty available. And the frozen vegetable section, inside I could find most of the items that I usually consume, the salads and the green leafy lettuce and all those things were present. So overall I think nobody needs to panic, and everybody should just stay calm. And if you need to get something, you can go to your local Costco store. There is a statewide quarantine, but I think if you need essential supply, that's fine. You can get out of your home, get essential supplies and come back. So Costco, they had made a line outside. They had kind of like what they do in Black Friday, where they have a designated line and you have to enter Costco through that line. But there were not a whole lot of people actually. So I did not go early in the morning. I guess early 10 o'clock, a lot of people line up outside Costco because they want to get toilet paper and other stuff. I went in the afternoon, and not a whole lot of people, plenty of items available, and I think it's all good, really. I mean, people should not panic. So you can see this is the frozen section. The dairy was also fully loaded, and all the green veggies and frozen smoothie stuff, your yogurt and all those things I could find. Really, most of the stuff was available. And a few days back, Costco actually looked very empty because people had really panicked, and they had purchased pretty much everything. But Costco has done a good job restocking their supplies. And most of the junk food is available. So if you are into hoarding junk food or non-perishable items, most of that stuff is available. There are plenty of breads. So gluten lovers, don't worry, there is enough stuff. So yeah, all I can say is, guys, don't hoard. Don't buy stuff that you don't need. Be considerate. Consider about other people in your community. Get stuff that you want. There are plenty of tortillas if you want to make burritos. Costco is doing an amazing job, I have to say. I mean, they have really restocked all their supplies. And the madness that I saw last week, where people were just like, loading their trucks with the toilet paper and everything, whatever they could find. That was real crazy madness. But seems like Costco is able to manage they are able to load the, not toilet paper, that is still out of stock. And even the canned foods, the beans, black beans, kidney beans, all those things, they are still not available. But you can see like the wheat, rice, those things are back. Even those were sold out last week. I could not find any rice. So that's back now. If you want to buy rice, go to Costco and you will find it. At least in the North California Costco, there is plenty supply, and I'm assuming that it's true for the rest of the country. So I hope you guys are safe and you are practicing social distancing and quarantine, and I hope everybody is doing fine, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.